How's it going? This is the OUTFINE garden hose reel that I bought here for my house. First time homeowner, and I'm going to be doing tons of videos now that I am back, and I took a chance. There was no real reviews on it, so I wanted to, do it for the people who actually want a good deal. So this is all plastic, but as a first time homeowner, I realized a lot of things that I wanted to make more convenient for myself. And I already knew coming into buying a house, there's a lot of maintenance and upkeeps and things you want to change around. And lucky for me, I'm a handyman. I bought my house this year and I've been working a W-2 job that's taken all the life out of me. But honestly, I think it's time to come back. And here I'm going to show you a couple of the spray nozzle settings that you can use. The spray nozzle is lightweight, feels really cheap, but actually comfortable in the hand.
That turns off. Shower. Shower. Oh, yeah, that's the shower. I got a lot of pressure at this house. Cone. Angle. Jet. Soaker. Ooh. It's definitely soaking. Mist. Very light.
And I decided to do nothing with measurements, so I just eyeballed it and said, this is where it's going to be. I'm going to work with it. And that screw that I'm just taking out was just a placement holder, so I can have one side up so I can test it. And keep in mind, once you have water going through the hose, it does weigh more, but you will notice a difference, and that is going to be more weight onto the anchoring. So I would advise putting all 5 bolts before you actually put the whole hose reel on. And it swivels left to right really smoothly, like it almost has a tiny notch where it wants to stay where you keep it at. And the top handle has a rubber piece, so if you ever need to take it on and off during the winter time so it doesn't freeze out there, very easy and convenient to just pop off, as there's no screws into it unless you wanted to. There is a hole for it. I think it does look bigger on video than it does in person, and this truly does make it easy to just grab it and go. And here's the shot of it being pulled out. And you can see that it actually does organize the hose, so it goes left to right, and there is little rollers there, so it's not going to be grinding on the hose, peeling it. I did notice that once the hose is on the ground, it doesn't reel in by itself. Okay, here's day 2, and there's no leaks. It makes it so easy to just walk up, water my dying plants. I mean, they're surviving now, but they were in pots for 3 weeks, and I was late to soil them in the ground. But you should have seen them. They looked like that guy, but now they're more alive. It just makes it a breeze. And if they have, it's a little heavy hose. And then put it away. Walk off. When I showed my parents, my dad's like, "What is that, a tire on your house?" Yeah, it does stand out a little bit, but it's convenient. What do you think?